Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this rechargeable bubble machine that this brand sent to me for the video, which I gotta say that this thing, I tried it last night and it's really cool. Not only because how easy it is to use, it also comes with a handle, so make sure, yeah, you have that one for easy transportation. By the way, this is the mix that I use, just making sure that if you want to check out some mix, this is the one that I use, and it works really good. Actually, I have to say that it works really good. So this is a 64 ounces, and the way that this is going to work, you're going to just put it right here. Right here, that has a compartment, so you're gonna drop the mix over there. You can add some water if you need. You don't have to, but you can add some water if you need. And then you're gonna find the on and off button, which is gonna be 1, 2, and 3 for intensity, and the oscillating, which is gonna be 90 degrees, 180, or 360. So that can go all the way if you want. This thing, rechargeable, super easy to use. Let's test it out right now. Well, I gotta say, it's a little bit of a windy day, so make sure that if it is windy, you put it in a like more covered place. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna turn it on. Once that is on, it's gonna start like circulating and grabbing that mix, and that's it. It start working right away, which I think it is really cool. And you can kind of like put a little bit more of intensity if you want. And this thing is flying everywhere. And you have the oscillating as well, which you can see that oscillates over there. It's actually going to the fonts. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, that is pretty cool, I have to say. And let's go to the other way. This is so awesome. I gotta say that for the kids or things like that, this is gonna be a prime thing to have for this season, or just like birthday party celebration. This is gonna be really good. With the mix and this machine, rechargeable one, you're gonna have so much fun. I totally recommend that.